how are you? I'm down in St. Anne's Park. Guys, if you're in America or wherever you're following from, like this is St. Anne's Park. It's only one small bit of it. The great thing with living in Dublin is we have much land and green. It's unbelievable. And you can see it's empty, so it's not like overcrowded. Oh God. I have taken my morning walk. I didn't do a weigh-in last week because I I don't know. I just didn't feel like confident. I kind of ate after 8 o'clock like 3 nights, and then I went out, and I just thought it was never about the weight for me. So I only weigh in when I feel kind of good. I don't want to get into that whole mindset of looking at the numbers, because I look at enough numbers. Okay, loyal to my budget. Um, yeah. I've been thinking about a bit of decorating in the house. There's a few bits that I want to do, and you're going to see me kind of doing a little bit of upcycle. My friend Joanne Condren, she is a great upcycler, and I'm always wrecking her head. But I think when people have passion, they love people wrecking their heads secretly, because they get to talk about them. But no, there's a lot of things that I actually want to do in the house, and the sitting room needs a paint. The more things that, like the furniture and stuff, buying, it's the more that I feel like, oh my God, I really want to do this. I want to dye the curtains like a bright green, which probably doesn't make sense, but because the walls and stuff are going to be so blank, it makes it a little bit easier for me to add splashes of color here and there. So that's basically what I want to do. I want to paint the wall like neutral, but maybe a little bit warmer. It's not, look at this background, guys. Isn't it lovely? Isn't it a lovely background? My sunglasses, I got them in, oh God, I don't want to say Tesco again, but I did. They were like $14.99. I've been getting compliments on them everywhere I go. I'm like, hey, but you know yourself. Long as it has the UV protection, I don't really get caught up in brands and stuff like that. Once I have a good proper case that they'll last, that's enough for me. Yeah. So this park, I used to hang around down here quite a lot, guys. I used to come down with my friends. I used to be very bold, but now I just really appreciate it. And now I come down with my kids. There's so many different parts of it that it's actually just brilliant. Yeah. So I think I lost my train of thought there. But yeah, I'm going to go, and first I have a little room. I want to paint the sitting room, but first I need to start getting some bits out of it. And I have a little room. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen me do that little room up. Kind of. I did a really bad paint job on it when I first started doing anything in the house. And I want to go back into the little room and basically put all my planners and stuff that I'm selling, put all of them back into the room. Sorry, a dog just ran by me there. Me actual nerves. So I'm going to put all my planners, all my stuff into the room, because I want the sitting room to be more of a sitting room and less of a storage area. So when I say I'm going to do the little room, I want to have everything organized. So I'll probably take you to a trip to IKEA with me. Hopefully I'll be able to go tonight. My sister will take the kids. Well, she'll just mind them while they're sleeping for an hour. Oh my God, this dog, it's going to be, I'll show you. That's the dog there. See it? It's scary. Oh my God. Should be on its leash. Nerves. Yeah, so my sister's going to mind the kids while I run up to IKEA. I kind of like going in the evening because no one does. Don't have the madness, but I want some storage boxes. So I'm going to get them up. I'm going to go and get them, and then I'll kind of show you what I am doing with them. It's just handy. Thank God my sister is around, and she can actually look after the kids for a minute while I run out. IKEA isn't too far from me. It's literally like a 15-minute drive. So I'm delighted. So yeah, I'll probably see you later when we go to IKEA, and Just keep an eye on me doing up bits and pieces, but I only have €20 in my house miscellaneous envelope, so that's what's coming with me. But I really want to make sure it's just starting to just get organized and having a place for everything. So yeah, wish me luck. So
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, deep down. And it's not a lie that I die.
for the month of June, I wasn't gonna buy anything full price when it came to meat. This I could have gotten a better value by buying it on the bone, but I wanted to have some of these just because they're handy at times. They're gonna go straight in the freezer. And this is another handy one. I got hake fillets as well. I also got lean mince. And I got 4 of these. These are going to be taken out my bulk envelope just because I've gotten so much meat on bulk. Then I got stewed beef. So I really want to make, this one is a good value now, 150, but most of them are just less than half price. It's not just less than half price. If I was to buy these all, I would have been spending in the region of nearly, €60 when you think it's like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. No, €50. But instead it cost me €26. So I'm absolutely delighted with that. I got some of these because when the kids are with their dad, it's a handy salad for me to make for myself. So I'm actually just going to freeze all of these. I don't need them right now. When I'm making burgers, etc., I could just throw these out. So I think like I did really good, guys. Yeah, really happy with that. I'll keep you updated if I get anything else. But also, I'm hoping that you'll see some recipes that I'm going to be making. I think this rug would be perfect for my sitting room. I'd love it. Oh God. Oh, look at this chair. If I didn't get the big chair, I was thinking something like that. Oh, this is a radio. Oh, no, it's an air purifier. That's cool, isn't it? I like the idea of this, though. How much is it? €12. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, matron. Love this. Lads, I actually think that I would just buy everything secondhand. I can't even justify it for the most part. Okay, so this is something like what I'm looking for. I'll show you now. Like filing boxes kind of thing. So I actually shouldn't be up here, but I'm just bringing this around for the crack. Why not? Let's have a go. Look at this. Look at this, guys. It's fabulous, isn't it? Oh my God. It's just bad. I feel like I have to take my shoes off. Oh. Oh yeah. Rug action. It is fabulous. I love it. Bit dull. Look at this. Oh, it's not fab. It's deadly. Kitchen, and I love the fact that you can get this kitchen like built in and then you can have it real rustic all the way around. That's why I love it. And then the TV there as well. So good. I literally have to get home, but I don't know if I'm going in the right direction. Now, which ones I'm gonna get yet? More than likely cardboard. But this is where I wanted to get all the storage boxes for doing a bit of home organization. Once and for all. Okay. So hard to decide. It's cool the way they have the gift boxes. I never think of here actually. They're black. I think they're fine. From €4 what to 150 up. The other ones I like, the black ones over there, were €3, so I'll get a few of them as well. But I'd say I need about 7 of them, so kind of like these ones, but they're €19 for just 3 of them. And like I said, I need 7, so we're gonna be going up to €38, and then what? Another one then. So it'll be like in the 40s by the time I get it. So I think I'm gonna leave that. Gorgeous. It looks like something that you'd see in Morocco. It's not bad. €60 down from. It's a good size as well. Mattresses. I think this is the first spot everybody should come before they go into IKEA, because you just never know what you might see, especially if you're coming in looking for one thing. It's good to look and see if they're reduced. And just like that, I'm after seeing the bits that I've had already. They're reduced from €7 to 4.50, and I'm thinking I might pick up a few of them and swap out the ones that I have already, because these you could already add your labels onto them. I just don't know if they're big enough. I think they are. They're like A4. Kind of perfect. Few little bits here. That's a good reduction actually. They'll hold. I was actually looking for that size, but I didn't see these up there. So
New York's chief psychopath, Dr. Isabel Amaro. The boys in the trenches called her Dr. Poison. For good reason.
she's bold, isn't she?
He's really bold.
Yeah.
Now it's gonna taste even more good.
Even better. Can you start rolling the lemon for me?
Okay, rolling. I'll roll like this. You all like this. Yeah. Egg. do it?
Okay, go on, do one. Well done. I think that's the best one you've ever done. Isn't it?
Yeah. It's can't No, we do.
Ugh.
No, you're gonna slide down with this. No, we're not gonna do that. Whoa. Let's try not to fall. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Come on.
Oh, this is so moist. So fresh. And I'll show you. We're at the skate park. Learning new tricks today. That's my little scooter. Eliza's scooter. You want to go show me yours? I don't want to get any other kids in the picture. Go on, Lou. Eliza, you want to show us? Okay, go. Wow. Well done. Louie, where are you? No. 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 Louie, go. Louie, you're so fast.